You made a good Facebook ad. People visit your online store and the first thing they see is a product page. And this is where you can either convert them into buyers or lose them. And today I'm going to show you how to make the best product pages. And since you should always learn from professionals, we are going to analyze the product pages on the AutoMerge, AliDropship's most successful premium store that makes more than $150,000 a month. My name is Alicia and welcome to the AliDropship channel. Here we teach new entrepreneurs how to build and promote dropshipping stores based on our AliDropship plugin. If you're new to this, check the link on the screen to learn more about how you can create your online store for just $89, a one-time payment. From this video, you will learn how to make the best product page on the example of an existing online store. Let's take a look at it. The AutoMerge is one of our self-owned dropshipping websites. Today, it makes over $150,000 a month in revenue thanks to a variety of tricks we discussed in our previous videos. Moreover, you can purchase a copy of this store to start your own dropshipping business. Follow this link to learn more. One of these tricks is properly designed product pages. So let's see what the team does to make their pages so attractive. But first, let's discuss why it is so important to take care of your product pages. When you import goods from AliExpress, you also copy all the data from the product page. You can create a product page with just few clicks, and if you use AliDropship plugin, it's easy. But look at this imported product page. The first tip is going to be obvious: edit imported pages. First of all, most AliExpress pages are written in broken English. Such pages may look funny to you, but a potential client will be scared as such descriptions don't inspire trust at all. Second, not all the products on AliExpress have detailed descriptions and specifications. They sometimes are quite messy, and as a result, making a well-informed decision gets really hard for customers. And finally, original descriptions often don't have a clear structure, making it challenging to deliver compelling marketing messages. What should your product page look like? The team of the AutoMerge admits that it took them a while before they learned how to make the best product pages. They now use the following criteria. First, a good product page should have a clear structure. It should start with a description of a problem your product can solve. Next, describe the product's benefits and features. The conclusion should consist of specifications and call to action. It's also important to optimize product pages to speed them up. There is no point having great product pages if it takes forever to load them. People hate waiting. Well-optimized pages should be about 1.5 or 1.8 megabytes. And make sure they're both desktop and mobile friendly. Use only high-quality images. First, this is the only way to show your product in every detail. Second, the quality of pictures is one of the major ranking parameters used by search engines. Remember, most customers rarely read descriptions carefully. That's why you should show how your product is used in practice with images, videos, and GIFs. Although your goal is to make the best product pages, don't overdo it. Too splashy pages will rather confuse site visitors. Try to keep a balance between attractiveness and informative value. Elements of a good product page. Every product page has a number of elements. Let's see what they are and how you should edit them. Start with the product title. As a rule, titles on AliExpress look like this. This is more than 10 words, which don't really make any sense. That's too much. Here, now the title is short and informative. Next step, descriptions. Sellers on AliExpress either use automatic translation or write descriptions on their own to the best of their abilities, and it is hard to say which is worse. Now we have fixed all the problems. Additionally, we have organized the text into a structure that is easier to understand. By the way, when it comes to specifications, don't forget to convert measurement units into the ones used by your target audience. The AutoMerge team pays particular attention to product galleries. As I mentioned above, you should compress all the images, and if they are still too heavy, you should better remove them. Otherwise, you risk losing customers before they get to see your product page. Also, make sure your images have no unnecessary inscriptions. First, you don't want original brands and labels. Second, nobody's going to read this text. And as I said before, it's a good idea to visualize your product's function with pictures. This one explains the benefits of the product perfectly. Another common problem you need to care of is product variations. On AliExpress, they are often pretty confusing. For example, this product has 2 variations with only one option in each of them, unnecessary detail. That's why the team of the AutoMerge decided to remove one of them. Sometimes you will see color codes instead of actual colors on AliExpress, so we recommend that you check and edit variations manually. It's a lot of work, but it's necessary to make the best product pages. To convince potential customers that your goods are worth buying, use customer feedback. Make sure they contain customer-made photos of your product that can demonstrate it from different angles. But there is a problem. Like all user-generated content, customer reviews often have grammar and punctuation mistakes. That's why the team also recommends that you proofread them. In WordPress, it's possible after importing reviews. It's also a good idea to use a number of additional tools to make the best product pages quickly. For example, we don't need to use special image editors to fix minor issues like unwanted logos. The AliDropship plugin has a built-in tool for editing images. With Image Editor, you can easily remove a label or an inscription from a picture and make other edits right in your admin panel. If you have more than one idea in mind, you can test them with AliDropship's Split Test add-on. It lets you compare product pages with different elements to pick the best performing one. We use it to find out which page variation performs the best before driving massive traffic to it. If you want to edit product pages with just a few clicks, consider using Celica. This AliDropship plugin uses artificial intelligence to analyze product pictures and generate a title and a description. It can also quickly edit color variations. It saves us tons of time on editing pages. The AutoMerge team also uses this tool to analyze the loading speed of product pages and see what can be done to improve it. Check the links in the description to learn more about these tools. That is how you make the best product pages for your dropshipping store. Edit title, description, images, and reviews to make them look crisp. Remember, for customers, visiting your product pages is like entering a real shop. The first impression is very important, and will they leave or buy your product? It depends on whether they like what they see. After your product pages are perfect, you can move on to the next stage, driving traffic to your store. That's why I recommend watching a video tutorial on running Facebook ads next. My colleague Natalie explains in detail the strategy to get the best results. And remember, if you don't want to start dropshipping from scratch, you can get a ready-to-go store. If you purchase a copy of the AutoMerge or any other premium store, you will get its product pages too, so you won't have to edit all the pages on your own. That way you can start faster. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more tips and recommendations from our team. See you next week. Bye!